The political parties engaging in a blame game there will continue tracking developments. Meanwhile, if Narendra Modi was hoping to win the support of BSP chief Mayawati and Trinamool chief Mamata Banerjee for his prime ministerial campaign, he can now shut that door. This week, both leaders voiced their opposition to him, something that's left the Congress rubbing its hand in glee.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हम पूरी ताकत लगाएंगे पूरे देश के अंदर कि इनको सत्ता में आने से रोका जाए और नरेंद्र मोदी को पीएम बनने से रोका जाए.
Mayawati's red flag to Modi's Delhi march. The BSP Supremo making it clear that she would do anything to stop Narendra Modi from becoming the Prime Minister, leaving no scope for a post-poll tie-up between the BSP and BJP. Mayawati says that the minorities are apprehensive about Modi.
पूरे देश के अंदर तो नरेंद्र मोदी के नाम से जो माइनॉरिटीज़ के लोग हैं और उसमें भी जो मुस्लिम समाज के लोग हैं जिनकी बहुत बड़ी तादाद है वो बहुत घबराए हुए हैं. उनको मालूम है कि यदि ये आदमी सत्ता में बैठ गया तो पूरे देश के अंदर ये मुस्लिम समाज के लोग सुरक्षित नहीं रह सकते.
And it's not just Mayawati, even Mamta's TMC too has made it clear that it can't annoy its Muslim voters by entering into an alliance with Modi. A setback to the BJP's PM candidate, who in the recent past has been making attempts to woo Mamata Banerjee.
हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा प्रीएम्बल में जो लिखा हुआ है, संविधान का प्रीएम्बल में जो लिखा हुआ है, that India is a secular, socialist, democratic republic, that principle, that idealism should be maintained at any cost.
Down south, Jayalalitha too has refused to tie up with Modi-led BJP. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, who is herself nursing PM's ambitions, recently announced her party's alliance with the left. However, the possibility of the post-poll alliance between the AIADMK and BJP can't be ruled out. After all, Jayalalitha calls Modi a good friend. But for the time being, Jaya is keeping a distance from the BJP. On the other hand, the Congress is happy that Modi remains an untouchable for the regional players.
लोग की चर्चा है कि उनको एक उनकी शक्ल पे वो कम्युनल ये नजर आती है. ही इज अ कम्युनल फोर्स. हमारी आपसी की झगड़ा जो भी हो, देश के हित में हमें एक ही कदम उठानी चाहिए कि सेक्युलर फोर्सेस सारे इकट्ठा हो और कम्युनल फोर्सेस को काबू में रखो.
The BJP has hit back at Modi's detractors. The trio of Mayawati, Mamta and Jaya may emerge as the kingmakers after the Lok Sabha election. Their support will be crucial for any government formation. But the big question is, what will be Modi's strategy if he falls short of majority mark? How will the BJP's PM candidate pass the arithmetic test? Will Mayawati, Mamta or Jaya change their stand on Modi after elections? Clearly, Modi has his task cut out. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.